Hey guys, I just wanted to take a quick break and share with you one of the tips I give to buyer clients of mine to help their contract stand out from the rest. It really starts off, maybe one of the most important things is to work with a recognized local lender. Listing agents want confidence that since your contract, be it contingent on financing, is actually going to get to the closing table. All too often, pre-approval letters are issued out to people who are not as verified for that loan as one would like to see. When you're working with a strong local lending company and certainly a strong local loan officer, that listing agent automatically gets a bit more confidence that the contract you're presenting that is contingent on your financing is just that much more likely to actually get to the closing table. So guys, not going to oversell it because of course, if our offer is say $10,000 less than the highest one, perhaps they don't think that having a local lender is the most important thing. But if things are close and what really is separating us is a small amount of money, some small little differences in our contingencies, but ours is with a local lender and the other we are up against is with a sort of big box bank, if you will. Without a shadow of a doubt, guys, the contract with a local lender will almost win out every time. So there it is. Work with a local lender. And I promise you, it will help give you that slight advantage in this competitive market. If you look for some more tips, some more advice, and you want to reach me directly, feel free. My number's listed right here. Email me, text me, call me. I'd be happy to help.